Hey, Australian Metals here. Today I will pour in a zinc-aluminium alloy via induction furnace. So there's the induction furnace, very nearly at its set temperature, 1 degree off. And here we've been preheating a mould with matte gas, you can see there. And I will pour it into there in any second. So let's turn this up a little bit. Nice angle for the pour. That's far too bright. There we go. Using these like the legs. Plugs quite hot for this because it is incredibly hot. Nice thick plugs. Should be an easy pour, this. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Just getting any dross material in there. Dross. So that's all done. I'll turn this furnace off now. Give that a little bit of heat on the top. Should help it stop deformations forming. Okay, all done. So this is my first zinc-aluminium alloy bar that I have made. It's come out very nice. It's supposed to have extremely high strength and good malleability. It's also worth a good deal more than aluminium on its own. So I'm going to quench that. I'll have to do that one-handed because I don't want the ingot going near my electric furnace while it's still plugged in. So let's drop this ingot. Ingot release troublage. Although it does stand to be quite hot still. Very nice ingot, however. See if I can jiggle that out. Mould was also preheated, I remind you. I have to release that with both hands. Usually I would have done that with one hand, but it seems I need both better controlled here. Hang on. Well stuck in there. Let's give it a good whack. Well, it doesn't want to release currently, but I will remove that. Give it a minute. It might cool down enough. It's very solidly in there, that's for sure. Let's check what temperature it is, as I do have my temperature gun here. Just plug the batteries in, as I use solar powered batteries. Gives me unlimited power for this thing. So how hot is it? It's hundreds of degrees still, as you can see there, 250. The mould is preheated epically. So I'll give it a minute to cool down and the metal to contract. It's harder than I suspected. Hang on. Very well stuck in there. Most in the should have used graphite to help release it from the mould. It is moving, but only very slightly out of the mould. So I will leave that. Cool. Wow, that's really stuck in there. I think I'm going to need to take a proper whack. Check on my Instagram and Twitter for images of this. I will also post them in my thumbnail, as I need to stamp this bar anyway. As you can see, it's very, very nice Zinc-Aluminium. I was going to quench it in there, but it is somewhat stuck in that mould until that cools down, which will obviously take quite a while. So, see you in the next video, which will be a while off, since I have to strip all of these circuit boards. Big pile. So, till next time.